In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this POCO. Firstly, open Play Store and install free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started at the bottom. Tap on I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, select while using the app or only this time. And hit Allow in all available pop-ups. Then close and add. And manage all of those options however you want to. You can also do that later on. To apply your launcher, hit Set as Default at the top and click on iOS one. Then just wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to switch to your default one, just access the same app, click on Set as Default, and tap on POCO Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!